Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we will discuss the third method of 7 marks question, right? So parametric differentiation. First method is substitution method. Second method is logarithmic method. So when we will go to substitution method, if the given problem is in complex form, we will substitute some value in it, right? So after that problem will be in a simple form. Once the problem becomes simple, we will differentiate it. That is substitution method. And in a logarithmic method, variable, again power is also in terms of a variable. Then we will take log on both sides, so that log a to the power of m is m log a. So it comes in u into v form. Once it is u into v form, we can take the differentiation and we will apply product formula. That is our method of logarithmic, right? And now come to parametric differentiation. So when we will use this parametric, and what is the meaning of parametric differentiation means very simple. Till now we will get one function, but in this parametric differentiation they will give two equations to you and find the derivative of those functions. See, your f of x is one function and g of x is another function. Find df by dg we have to find. So f is in terms of x and g is in terms of x, right? So we have to differentiate f with respect to g, df by dg. Generally dy by dx, what is the meaning? Differentiating y with respect to x, right? So same thing here, df by dz means differentiate f with respect to dz. How we will get it? Actually this is in terms of x and this is in terms of x. How we can differentiate f with respect to g means very simple. You find out df by dx, right? Then you find out dg by dx. Your f function is in terms of x. So differentiate with respect to x. Similarly, your g function is in terms of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then you take their division. What is that? df by dx by dg by dx. Then what happens? It is df by dg will be the answer. Okay, so like that we have to find. That is called parametric differentiation. Parametric means they will give two equations, okay, and we have to differentiate one function with respect to the second function. Then we have to use this method. So come on, first you take, what is your first given function? What is the given function? F of x is equal to x to the power of sine inverse x. We want its derivative. So observe the given equation. Whenever variable and power also variable is there, we have to go for log on both sides. One method again we are using its previous method. So we have to differentiate this function, such a function whose variable, again its power is also variable. Variable is having power as variable. In such cases we have to take log on both sides. So you take log of f of x is equal to log of x to the power of sine inverse x. Okay, so there is one formula, you know it, log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. Okay, so same thing here we will apply. Actually we cannot take directly for this, there is no direct formula for derivative. So power, again its power, value again its power is also in terms of x, means if we take log a to the power of m, it comes into m log a. That means u into v form it comes. Then we can easily differentiate. So come on, m log a form means you will have sine inverse x into log x. Okay, so now you differentiate both sides with respect to x, right? So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You have to differentiate. Then what happens? This is d by dx of log of f of x is equal to d by dx of log. After the formula, application of formula, we got sine inverse x, not this value. We got sine inverse x into log x value. After applying the formula, first one is this one, but after applying the formula, we got this one. That has to be taken log on both sides. So come on, what happens? D by dx of log of any value, d by dx of log of any value, any variable is 1 by of that variable into d by dx of that variable. So here we can write 1 by of f of x into d by dx of f of x, okay, is equal to, now this is product form, u into v form. What is the formula for product form? D by dx of u into v is equal to, keeping u as it is and differentiating v. Next, keeping v as it is and differentiating u. This is the formula. Okay, so come on, u, v, keeping first term, first variable as it is, differentiating the second variable, d by dx of log x, keeping the second variable as it is and differentiating the first variable, sine inverse x. So this is 1 by f of x into f dash x is equal to, what is the value? Sine inverse x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of sine inverse x. Formula is standard formula, is directly we are applying, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. We want f dash x. F dash x means df by dx, right? So only df by dx we want. So df by dx, nothing but f dash x. Send this f of x that side. So f of x into, come on, write it together, sine inverse by x plus log x by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so what is your f of x now? So we have taken f of x is equal to x to the power of sine inverse x to the power of sine inverse x into sine inverse x by x plus log x by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is your df by dx. Now you take your g. What is your g value? G is equal to, g of x is given as sine inverse x. Okay, it is simple value, no problem, directly we will differentiate with respect to x. So it is dg by dx is equal to d by dx of sine inverse x. So d by dx of sine inverse x is nothing but 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So we got dg by dx, we got df by dx. So what is the question? Find df by dg. So come on, you take your df by dg now is equal to, how we will take? df by dx by dg by dx. So that dx will get cancelled. So you will have df by dz. What is the meaning of df by dz? Differentiating f with respect to g. So is equal to df by dx. We are having x to the power of sine inverse x, right, into sine inverse x by x plus log x by root of 1 minus x square, right. So this is your df by dx by dg by dx, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So 1 by, if you send upwards, it will be reverses. So at the end, it is root of 1 minus x square into x sine inverse x into sine inverse x by x plus log x by root of 1 minus x square is the answer of your question. Okay, so parametric differentiation, when we have to go for parametric differentiation means very simple. In the question they will give two equations, two functions they will give, and they will ask differentiate with respect to one function with respect to another function. So that means they will give f and g, right? Find out f separately and g separately they will give, and differentiate f with respect to g, find df by dg. What is the meaning of df by dg? Differentiate f with respect to g, that is the meaning. So how we can find? Generally till now we will get y is equal to one function and find dy by dx, or they will give f of x is equal to something, find df by dx, or they will give g of x is equal to something, find dg by dx. But here in parametric they will give two equations to you. So first find out first function with respect to x, second function with respect to x separately. So df by dx you find out, then dg by dx you find out, right? Once you got these two, divide them. So dx will get cancelled. So at the end you will have your df by dg. What is the meaning? Derivative of f with respect to g, that is the meaning of the function. Okay, so this is called parametric differentiation. See the difference when substitution method, when problem is in complex form, directly we cannot differentiate it, and it will be inside the square root, so many values, complex values. Then we will go for substitution. There we will substitute, instead of one value we will substitute and we will simplify. After getting simple form we will differentiate. That is called substitution method in differentiation. Then come to the logarithmic method. When we will go to logarithmic method, if function is having in the form of variable, again power is also variable. That means suppose x square, x cube, like that we will have the values, but instead of x square, x cube, x to the power of cos x or cos x to the power of sin x, power also in terms of variable. Then take log on both sides, differentiate with respect to x. Why we have to take log on both sides means there is one standard formula. What is that formula? Log a to the power of m is equal to m into log a, so that the two terms will come into u into v form. Once it is u into v form, we can apply the product form of the differentiation. D by dx of u into v we can apply. Okay, that is your second method. Now come to the third method. What is your third method? Parametric differentiation. When two separate functions are given to you, to get the derivative of one function with respect to the another function, they will give two functions and they will ask find the derivative of one function with respect to the other function. Then we have to go for parametric differentiation. What is meant by parametric differentiation? Very simple. Find out first function with respect to x, second function with respect to x, then divide them. You will get your derivative of one function with respect to the second function. Okay, so practice this problem carefully, right? So whenever in the question it is given like that, you have to go for parametric form. Okay, so till now three methods over. First method is a substitution method, second one is logarithmic method, and the third one, what is the third one? Parametric differentiation method. Okay, so you solve these three methods perfectly. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.